Want to speak English like a native? Start with these 4 American English pronunciation tricks. Number 1. When T is between 2 vowels, it sounds like a soft D. For examples, computer, water, better. Number 2. When T is after N, it's often deleted in casual speech. For examples, internet, interview, identity, 20. Number 3. American R is always pronounced strongly from the throat. For examples, car, more, clear. And number 4. American often reduce or drop vowel sounds in longer words. For examples, probably, family. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.